Sorry, I'm not ignoring you or anything. I'm just trying to decide what to wear for a fancy dress party. I was thinking about just wearing this T-shirt. What do you think? What do you mean it's boring? It's not the T-shirt. It's what's under it that counts. Ah! What do you think? Perfect for fancy dress parties. Or, just to freak out your friends, show them what's under your T-shirt. Oh, I needed that. Simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. First, you need to start with what the alien's attached to, a plastic bin bag. Cut it in half and it's the top part that you want, so throw the other piece away. Now you need the top part because it's got an opening at the top and now at this end. And the idea is to cut this bit down one side and then you can then open it out to make one long strip. Now it's a good idea to make sure that it fits around your waist at this stage. Yep, that works. Now you can create your alien. Lay your bin bag strip down and scrunch up some newspaper into a small parcel shape and tape it to the middle of the bin bag strip. Now this will make the alien's body. Then scrunch and tape a smaller ball on top of this one for the head. The alien's eyes are more newspaper, this time the size of a golf ball attached to a twist of newspaper for eye stalks. Make 3 like this and tape them to the top of the head. Then bend a long twist of newspaper round into a mouth shape and tape that under the eyes. And you could even add in some cardboard triangles for teeth. Now I'm using double-sided tape for this. In it goes. And finally tape 4 stubby newspaper sausages together for hands and tape 1 to either side of your alien's body. And the other one on the other side. And remember to use lots of tape to keep everything together and to keep your alien well and truly attached to the bin bag strip. Now, let's bring him to life. Paint him using acrylic paints. Now you can use alien shades of purple. You can mix in different shades, can't you? Mix in some darker purple or even some pink for his alien skin. And how about luminous orange lips? And of course white for his eyes. And even some pink alien spots on his body. And when you finish painting your alien and he's dry, give him some extra strength by slopping on a layer of PVA glue mixed with water. Now, don't worry because the PVA glue dries clear and shiny, so not only does it strengthen your alien, but it also gives it a good, slimy alien effect. Look at that shining away there. Now all you need to do is get him to burst through your T-shirt. And do me a favour, use an old one and get permission first. I don't want to hear about anyone using the best top for this. So, tie your alien around your waist and put your old baggy T-shirt on over the top. Then, feel where the head is and carefully make a mark where your alien is and then take your T-shirt back off. Lay your T-shirt down, then carefully snip a hole where the mark is. Now be careful not to cut right through to the back of your T-shirt and of course mind your fingers. When you've snipped the hole, open it up just enough to pull your alien through so he looks like he's bursting through the T-shirt. And as a finishing touch, take some green paint and paint some green slime dripping from where he's bursting through. And when you put it on, it really looks as if that's what's lurking under your T-shirt. And they look great as a fancy dress costume. Or, just to freak out your friends, and if you want to be a cyborg and have mechanical bits under your skin, instead of making a newspaper alien, just stick bits of packing like sandwich boxes and tops of coffee cups and even drinking straws to the bin bag strip and then paint it metallic colours. Good, eh? Try it yourself. What's lurking under your skin?